Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Target for today by Legion Games, and we are going to be flying Nothing to Lose for the 509th Bomber Group, 78th Squadron, and getting my act together here, which is slow. A lot going on again. Um, I think we're all ready to go. And we didn't change that around. Once again, we're going to support the um, invasion in Sicily. So let's get this on over here so everybody can see that. There's our flight plan. These will be going out over water and back over land. Only place we really got to worry about things is over here. Um, the briefing, so we know what to do, what to go, where to go. We're all set up on my helper, and we are getting ready to kick some butt, hopefully. So let's get out our charts and take off. 7. We take off okay. And that brings us to zone 2, where we are over to mid. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall, mechanical failure roll. 86 will be nothing. No contrails. We're in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, so we're going to put zeros all the way down. And that rolls us into zone 3. Zone 3, we are over to med with an asterisk, which would mean we would lose a fighter coming at us each wave. 50% cloud cover, which is going to be what most of this mission is. No mission recall. We roll for mechanical failure again. 65 will be nothing. We are no contrails in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance. So again, we're going to drop zeros all the way down. Go to zone 4. Getting a little spoiled with this open skies here. Somewhere along the line, we're going to pay for this. Zone 4, we're over to med with an asterisk again. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Our malfunction roll is 34, which is none. Contrails are none. We're in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance again, so we have zeros all the way down. And that rolls us into zone 5. In zone 5, we're over to med with an asterisk. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Our mechanical failure roll is 20. There will be none. Contrails, none. In formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, so again, we're going to drop zeros all the way down. And that moves us into zone 6. In zone 6, we're over to med with an asterisk again. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Mechanical failure roll is 57. That will be none. In formation above 10,000 feet, we have no contrails, no German resistance. We put zeros all the way down. And we roll into zone 7. In zone 7, we are over to med with an asterisk again. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Mechanical failure 35, nothing. No contrails in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, so again, we're going to put zeros all the way down and move on to the next zone. In zone 8, we are over the med with an asterisk 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Mechanical failure at 65, there'll be none. We have no contrails or information above 10,000 feet. We have light German resistance. Yes, we do have resistance here. And we are going to roll for how many waves right now? 3. We are light, which goes down to 2. We are in the high formation, which means there'll be no modifier. So we have a roll of 2. And that's going to give us 0 waves. So again, we're going to put 0 all the way down, and we give up that poor fighter coverage that we just received. So it's a good thing we did roll for none. And we roll into the target zone. As per my habit, I like to get this up here so I don't forget anything. Move into the target zone. We just did that. Target zone weather, well, that's already a given. We are now over Sicily and the Mediterranean. 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. Mechanical failure will be 20, so that'll be none. We have no contrails. We're in formation above 10,000 feet. The weather, as I said, is 50%. We're going to be bombing slightly obscured, and we're bombing manually. So that gets us to the German resistance. We have heavy German resistance, so we're going to roll for that right now. And we roll a 7. Not getting out of this one. 8 for being the designated target zone. 9, 10 for heavy. We're going to see 3 waves. So, zone 9, wave 1, outbound. Make that 3 waves. And we will roll for wave 1 in the heavy. Stretch this out a little bit so we can see. 56. My rolls continue from last time. It's going to be a random event or no attacks. We roll a 6, that's no attacks. That brings up wave 2. 46, you're fucking kidding me. No attacks or a random event. And again, we roll no attacks. Wave 3. 15. We might actually see something here. Yes, we will. 3 BF-109s. They will be coming from 12 o'clock low, 12 o'clock level, 10:30 level, and then there'll also be 2 FW-190s, and they will be coming from 130 high and 130 level. Now we're going to pay the price. But now we have done that, we also get to see what our fighter coverage is. And in this zone, we have good fighter coverage. Remembering that this is the 3rd wave, so we're going to be using the asterisk number. 11. There were 3 and a 2. So we got 3 waves there. 3, 2 means we're going to get rid of 2 fighters. Let's put them out here, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get rid of the Focke-Wulfs. You know what? There's no pretty sure about it. We're going to get rid of the Focke-Wulfs. I'm going to put 2 190s driven off. And we're going to go 2 for that, and then 3 undamaged BF-109s. And then the 109s will be coming out of 12 o'clock low, 12 o'clock level, and then 10:30 level. All right, now that gets us to defensive fire allocation. We're going to start at 12 o'clock level. He can get a top turret, nose gun, and actually tail gunner can come up with a passing shot. And we're going to go to 12 o'clock low. Who's got the ball gunner can also come into play, and the nose gunner. So I'm going to put the passing shot over on him. You know what? No, I'm going to put the passing shot on the 1030 level because I also know the 1030 level is going to be sparse. Top turret's already allocated. Left waist, left cheek. So we can get 2 guns on him. Alright, we'll put this back over here. That'll give everybody but the right waist and right cheek a shot. And we will move on to the fighter pilot skill starting at 1030. He's going to be an ace. 12 level, ace. 12 low, green. Alright, that worked out good. At least I got 2 guns on each ace. Defensive fire resolution. We'll start out over here with the left waist against the ace 109. And he will need a -1. He's going to need a 9 or more. 12. Wow, actually got a good hit. Against the 109. No modifiers. 5 is an FCA. And the left waist is done. Left cheek, he's also going to need a 9. He misses. That'll bring the nose gun -1 also. Better go back to the right chart. That's not going to get it done. He misses. Top turret. And top turret on this boat is a powered twin, so he's going to get a +1 and a -1. That's going to be straight up roll. He needs 8, and he misses. That brings up the ball turret, +1, +2. So he needs a 6 or more. And he rolls a 9. That's going to be a hit on the greenie. 109. Twin guns against the 109 is going to add 1. 7, 8. FBOA. Ball gunner's done. Now they get to come in on us. So we got 2 damaged. Do some paperwork here. Alright, now let's see what they can do. German's offensive fire will start over here. +1, -1, because he's an ace and an FCA. And he's coming from 1030, so he needs a 9 or more. 6, he misses. No collision. And he will return to home. We'll put 1 miss down. Alright, next up, 12 o'clock level. 9 or more, and he's an ace, so he's going to add 1, so it'll be an 8 or more. 7, he misses. No collision. Return to deck. 2 misses. Alright, that brings up the greenie. He's coming from 12 o'clock low. He needs a 9 or more, -3. So he needs basically a 12. And he misses. He's going to roll for a collision. No collision. Going to roll for the passing shot. That'll be a miss. And he will fly off. That's a delete that and return to deck. So 3 misses and 3 attacks, and we are through with that. That's all it was, 3 attacks. And we now move on to determining Flack, and the Flack is determined for us, which I forgot to write down. And the Flack over target is medium going out and light coming in. or actually medium outbound, light inbound. Means outbound to target, inbound from target. So let's take care of this. We will go to target, Flack the hit bomber, medium 3 times. 5 is a miss. 8 is a miss. 3 is a hit. Okay, we're going to put 1 hit down. Actually, let's roll for the hits first. 10. That's going to be 2 hits. All right. First hit will be 24. 12. Pilot compartment. I hate pilot compartment hits. 5. Pilot and co-pilot. Roll 1 die 6. 5. Both roll for a wound. Son of a bitch. And the wounds are... all of a sudden I can't remember. 517. We got to go back to combat tables. 517. Pilot's wound will be 5. Serious wound. Co-pilot's wound will be 4. Serious wound. That's gonna suck. Serious wounds, we can no longer continue duties and may not, can't continue booties neither. Cannot fall out. Anybody can take over. We got to do some moving around here. What we got next is bombing. So I guess the engineer, he's right there. He can flop right in and take over. And the radio will do the same for the co-pilot. That's going to affect us later when we go to land. Pilot serious wound, I think, is 5 Peckham points. And co-pilot. 5 Peckham points. Bomb run. 6-6. This is going to be a harsh one. 5. Oh, nope, didn't roll. There we go. 6. Not much better. We are in formation. Autopec, that's fine. Didn't use that. Bombardier has less than 5 missions. Don't think so now. Nope, he's 9. Still at 6. I can't believe we don't have a negative modifier for our pilots and stuff being out. I mean, I'll take it. All right. Well, we're on target. I'll take that. And we are high. I forgot to do all this. And yes, we're on target. And let's drop our bombs before it's too late. 9. 40%. I will take that too. All right. Go to my composite record. Put that down. 40. And I just lost. I'm going to put red on my pilot and my co-pilot. That means I'll probably need new ones. All right. Next up on the agenda, determining additional Flack. It's light on the way out, so we're going to roll 3 times on this one. 4 is a miss. 7 is a miss. 3 is a miss. Flirting with it. And we go turn around and head for home. So, German resistance on the way home is heavy. We roll a 4, 5, 6, 7. It'll be a 1 wave. Zone 9. Wave 1 inbound. And that will be on the heavy chart 23. 1109 from a vertical climb. And 1110 coming from 12 o'clock level. All right, now let's see what our fighter coverage is. We are good fighter coverage again, so let's see if those disappear. We roll a 7. That's going to be 2 from the first wave, which this is. We'll see if we can get rid of the vertical climb. No notes on that one. I used to look this up. I'm trying to think of where. Vertical climb, vertical dive. E. Vertical dive. Vertical climb. Ball gunner's the only one that can hit it, and we may be driven off. So both of those, the 109 and the 110, are both going to be driven off by our fighter escort. So another boring encounter for you, but I'm liking it because at least my bomber's going to survive. Not my captain, not my co-pilot, but it does look like a bomber's going to get through this fine. So we got 1 wave, 2 and 1, 0 attacks, 0 evasive action, and we are through the target zone, and we move back down to zone number 8 on the way back. We are over Sicily, 50% cloud cover, no mission recall. That's done. We won't say that anymore. Mechanical failure roll, 49 is none. We have no contrails. Can't have them on the way home. We'll no longer call them out. We're still in formation. We're no longer, we're still above 10,000 feet. We have medium German resistance in this zone. So we're going to roll for that right now. 7, 8, going to be 2 waves. And wave number 1, medium or moderate, 13. 1G50 at 12 o'clock level. All right, and that's Now we're going to check for driven off, and we have, once again, we have good fighter coverage, so I don't think this guy's going to be sticking around. 9, 2 and 1. No, he will not. So 2 and 1. He is driven off. And that brings up second wave. Moderate, 32. 3 190s. And they will be coming in from 12 o'clock high, 10:30 high, and 130 level. All right. And two of those, no, one of those is going to disappear. At 130 level, I'm pretty sure I can get to him with both my ball and turret. FW 190 coming in from 12 o'clock high. So we're going to get rid of the 1030 high and we'll keep the 130 level. Okay, 190 driven off. And then 2 undamaged. All right, now get into the meat of things here. Defensive fire allocation. $12 o'clock high. Top turret and the nose gun. And I can bring up the tail gunner if I so desire. 130 level. Top turret, right cheek. Yeah, right cheek's all we get on that one. So we will go ahead and move the tail gunner over to there. Pilot skill level. 12 o'clock is ace. And 130 is ace. Damn, rolling a lot of aces. Defensive fire resolution. We'll start with a nose gun. -1. That's a miss. And top turret, +1, -1. That's barely a hit, but a hit it is. And against a 190, there is no modification. So we're going to roll right here. 7. FCA. All right. Right cheek. Before I forget. Nose gun. Top turret. Right cheek. Tail gun. Okay. Right cheek. -1. 8 misses. Brings up the German's chance. I don't like 190s. 12 o'clock. He needs a 9 +1 -1, so straight up 9. Misses. 10 is close for a collision. We'll have to check that. 9, no, he did not collide, so he will return to base. And that's 1 miss. All right, now, next guy coming in from 130. He's going to need a 9 or more +1, 8 or more. 6, he misses. There'll be no collision. Passing shot is a miss. He will return to deck and not continue on. So we really got lucky again, not taking much in the way of damage. The damage we did take is very critical, though. So we got 2 attacks. no evasion, no flak. We move to Zone 7. Zone 7, we're over to Mediterranean, 50% cloud cover, mechanical roll, 32. There'll be no mechanical failure. We are in formation above 10,000 feet. We have no German resistance. We're going to put zeros all the way down. That's basically what the rest of this mission is going to be. 6. We are in the Mediterranean, starting to show up over Tunisia. 100% cloud cover. We have a roll of mechanical failures 91, which will be none. We're in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, zeros all the way down. We roll into Zone 5. In Zone 5, we are over Tunisia, 50% cloud cover. No mission recall, mechanical failure, 05. We are in a B-24. We got to go to table 43C. 65, nose turret power. B-24J, we do not have that. B-24D, roll 1 die 6. 5, right cheek gun jams. Well, that's not a real big deal because we're not getting any more problems there, but that was zone number 5. MF, right cheek gun jams, and we will put a Peckham point on that one because it does have to be repaired. B-24, not really a gun hit, but it does need to be fixed. 10. All right, now we go back to in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, zeros all the way down. And we move into zone number 4. Zone number 4, we're over Algeria, 100% cloud cover. Mechanical failure roll, 75. There'll be none. We are in formation above 10,000 feet. There's no German resistance. We're going to roll zeros all the way down. Zone number 3, over Algeria, 100% cloud cover. Mechanical failure roll is 93. That'll be none. We are in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance. We're going to put zeros all the way down. Zone number 2, getting closer to that little important landing with no pilots. Over Algeria, 50% cloud cover, mechanical roll, 02. Wow, 2 failures in one frickin' mission. 54 is the roll, ball turret power, see note O. Ball turret gunner cannot traverse or elevate his guns. Roll 1 die 6, 6, unsuccessful. So, mechanical failure, twice though, not twice now that bit us. That'll be zone 2. Mechanical failure. BG power loss. I'm going to apply a 10 on that too. All right. And that's going to, we're in formation above 10,000 feet. No German resistance, putting zeros all the way down. And now the important landing. And we are going to roll 2d6, get a 7. -1, that's not bad. 6, that's it. That's the only damage we took. That's not bad at all. We land safe despite them being out. The engineer has enough skill to bring us in. And that is the end of the mission to Messina, Sicily. We've 40% on target. We had 2 casualties and a rather successful mission other than that. Let's go to the combat tables, bomber wounds. Actually, that's in the 509th charts. I gotta find out whether they survive or not. Not bailout B. After rolling, roll 1 die 6 for the pilot, 4 recovery but may not fly, and for the co-pilot 5 recovery but may not fly. So neither one of those will return. All right, that's it. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you all have a great night. Thanks again.